guys! Welcome back sa Yanko Farm. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng very simple na shrimp fried rice. Yan. So, let's start. Let's put a little bit oil. Then, init na yan guys. Ilagay na natin yung shrimp. So, nilagyan ko pala ng salt and pepper yung ating shrimp. Tayin lang natin na mag-red yung kulay. Yan, atuan na siyang i-flip guys. Kaya luto na yung other side. So, marami tayong natirang rice. Wala na muna hulot yung niluto namin kaninang umaga. Mga leftover rice. Yan, so kung daghan kaayo mo mga bahaw or leftover rice, ayan, ganito yung gawin nyo guys. Okay, this is ready. Lipat lang natin. And then, igisa natin yung garlic and white onion. Okay, isunod na natin yung ating leftover rice. So, yung leftover rice namin ay medyo may pagka-red siya guys and merong tapol. Itong black na rice. Okay natin yan. Okay. Wow, ang bango. So, napagod na konti yung ating garlic. But, okay lang yan kay man, masarap pa din. And mabango. Next, lagyan natin ng repolyo and carrots. Timplahan natin guys, soy sauce. Pampakulay. Little bit ng fish sauce. Oyster sauce. And then, pepper. Konti lang. Oh, ang ganda ng kulay, guys. May green, may orange. Tamang-tama. Okay, lagay na natin yung ating shrimp na niluto kanina. Yummy! So, kung gusto niyo mas dark color, maglagay pa kayo ng more soy sauce and oyster sauce. Pwede din pala mga champurado guys sa mga leftover rice ninyo. Yan, better na. Much better looking. Okay, this is it. Ready na yung ating shrimp fried rice. Let's eat na. Let's plate. Ayan, so let's eat everyone. Wow, lagyan ko muna ng calamansi. Oh my gosh, so excited. I'm starving. Wow. Ayan, lagyan natin ng isang pirasong shrimp. Wow. Pwede na pang guys. Restaurant. Yum. So kahit walang shrimp, okay na dyan kaayo siya. Kuan ra rice and carrot o repolyo. Kay mahal ang shrimp guys. 300 kilo. Ha. Wow. Ayan po, so shoutout po muna natin yung ating mga solid supporters. Shoutout Pilaes Tabuan Aldos, Leonard Burke, shoutout Era, Ma'am Elena Gueta, Ma'am Carmen Unabia, Ma'am Maricar Poriol, and Kapiso Mo Vlog. And dito din sa ating latest video guys. Shoutout kay Ma'am Salvador Maria Rose, Ma'am Cindy Tampos, Ma'am Arlene De La Cruz. Wow, thank you so much Ma'am Arlene. Ma'am Emma Daang, Ma'am Nati Villoso. Thank you Ma'am Nati. Cecil Cabezas, Carmen Unabia, Sir Melvin Silagan, Sir Larry Cuyagbo, Wilma Moises, Jai Jai, Dacerella, Joy San. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and supporting Yanko Fam. Sana nag-enjoy mo guys and keep supporting us and sharing and follow. So thank you so much again and see you guys sa atuang next videos. Thank you!